morning. So today I am actually heading in for work again, but I just want to show you my progress with getting my hair done. It's taken a little bit longer than usual, only because I have so many things doing in the evening. I don't get a chance to literally sit down and do the hair. So it has been a few days since I started, and I'll put the entire video up so you can actually see once I'm finished. But this is what I do. I normally go ahead and I'll braid my hair out like this. So it's gonna be probably like around this length. I'll show you the back. So this is the back. And I literally part them. And then braid them one by one. Once I'm finished, this kind of braid, you know, you can actually wear for a few days before I actually do the wrap for the faux locks. But I'm going to try to start installing as soon as possible, because a lot of times I'm just like super busy and I just don't have the time. But today I'm actually going to be doing, you know, me simple hairstyle, grandma hairstyle again. And this is my little usual puff look. Yeah, nothing big as usual. I'm pretty simple. Then I'll use these little pins trying to find the ends. Okay, and then I'll tuck it in. Okay, and then this is what it looks like. Okay, then I'll go ahead and comb. I like to feel the comb on my scalp. Feels good. So thank you to all the persons who have been, you know, subscribing and commenting, watching my video. I do appreciate that. But I don't know, there's something about beauty videos, I guess, because my nursing channel has one video that I uploaded with, you know, my little hairstyle. And for some reason I see this thing kind of, what you call it, trending. So I don't know if it's the video not so looking good, if it's not the typical thing people normally put on YouTube or what. But you can go and check it out too. If you're watching this video, go and check it out. Add to the number, you know, add to the number persons watching it. But it's really nice seeing a video just getting 100 views every 12 hours. Yeah, I wish my nursing videos could actually get those numbers as well, you know. But either way, my channel is a motivational channel. The content I provide is for education, encouragement, motivation, and just, you know, if somebody needs any information, it's right there at the fingertip. It's nothing pretty up, it's just me sharing what I have experienced, and you know, so people can have different sides. Because sometimes you look on other channels, you see some fancy places that people work, and you're like, oh my god, that's where I'll be working as a nurse practitioner. And then my channel is gonna tell you that, oh, when I go to the nursing home or the group home, sometimes I walk and I step through the floor, because that's the reality of the situation. Or sometimes I go there and dog here, they're all over the place. That's just the reality of the situation. Or I go there and there's more dogs in the place than furniture, you know. So it's the reality of the situation, but you don't really have people talking about those things. They always just leave it as, oh yeah, they're wearing this fancy coat and everything nice about the nurse practitioner job. But if you have different experiences, and this is my experience doing house calls, you know, I want to share the ugly side of nursing, the pretty side, the rewarding side. That's what my channel is all about. So feel free to hop on and share your side as well, you know, so we can actually encourage other persons who are thinking about their journey. They can have options. Because I have some persons who definitely really want to work in my setting, the setting that I work in, and they don't know, you know, what to expect. And then they come out there thinking that it's all bed of roses, and then they get disappointed and not wanting to continue in that career. So if you know from early, if somebody can tell you from before what to expect, you can know how to decide on your career. And this is not a channel that is trying to tell people, oh, don't get into nursing because we're going to see that some houses have a bunch of cats there, or no, it's just the reality. I'm saying, like, their homes you're gonna go to, it's like a mansion. It's beautiful. You go there as a nurse and they want to take out the coffee, the water. They give you the little seat to sit on, and you're sitting down and you're smelling the aroma. You understand? It's just so nice. You're looking outside and you see fountain. You see little rivers running around the back. People really live in these places like it's a castle. And then sometimes you go to places and it's more like a mattress box. So there are different sides. It's rewarding. You can make your impact wherever you go. And that's just what my channel is about. You don't have to work in the fanciest of office, or, you know, the surgical room, or aesthetics, or hydration center, or you don't have to work as a CRNA. You don't have to work as a family nurse practitioner. You know, you can still work in the home setting and you still enjoy what you're doing. I remember when I was in nursing school and we were doing psych rotation, and that was one of the best rotation for me, even though psych was never my thing. But the part where you go into the field and you run down those patients to give them their injection each month, you know, exciting that was. They tell you come in your jeans and your white shirt or whatever shirt and your sneakers because we're gonna go in the communities. And that was fun and rewarding. You know, you go there some of the time, the patients and don't want to see you. These patients have mental illness. Sometimes they want to see you. You give them medication and lo and behold, they go and sleep, and by the time they wake up, and so it's a brand new person you're looking at. You understand? So it was really nice, and this just kind of reminds me of that when I was back in Jamaica doing my nursing program. It was a really good experience doing that, and so I'm enjoying this aspect of nursing in a different environment, not necessarily in the hospital anymore, you know. So anyways, this was just me showing you my hair. So yeah, this is it. So I'm gonna roll out and go into Dallas to see my patients. It's gonna be a lovely day. It is 8 o'clock, so I know the traffic is gonna be like ton up to the roof, bumper to bumper traffic, but either way, it's early morning, so it's not gonna be that bad. Until then, I do hope that you enjoy the video. Please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel, and turn that notification bell on for more